Hey DIYers and all you upcyclers out there. Today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling an old piece of luggage that I found on the street, and we're turning it into a side table, and we're decorating it with my Redesign with Prima decor transfers. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's upcycle this old piece of luggage. Suitcases caught on at the end of the 19th century, and they were quite literally a case for suits. A typical suitcase came equipped with an inner sleeve for storing shirts, and sometimes a little hat box on the side. In 1596, the Oxford Dictionary added the word luggage to its tomes. The word meant denoting inconveniently heavy baggage and came from the verb lug. Early suitcases were lighter and more portable than trunks, but they were still bulky by today's standards. Leather, wicker, or thick, rubbery cloth was stretched over rigid wood or steel frames, and the corners were rounded out using brass or leather caps. Because this suitcase is angled, we are evening it out with some small wood blocks underneath the front legs. Just paint the wood blocks black and you won't notice them at all. The first recorded use of the word nightstand was in 1852, though the word night table goes back as far as 1772. The nightstand's primary function was to contain the home's chamber pot. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in the description below, including the exact Redesign with Prima decor transfer that I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.